Oh wow.
She's in love with
Wow. There's a car accident. I'm not sure. Hey guys, I will be showing you what's in my August box. So as you can see, I already opened it. And for today's or for the month theme is Life of the Party. Let's see, put that right there. And first thing is in the box is this lashes from House of Lashes, and I think the name of it is Bombshell, and that's how it looks like. It's really cute, and I think that retails for, let me see, $12. Yes, that retails for $12 right there. Next in the box is this Bang Beauty, and I think this is the gel liner, and it's color ground because I seen one. I seen it on the yep, this is the chocolate gel eyeliner from Bang Beauty. And let me see, yeah, so that's $22 right there. Let me just put this back in the box. And next one is this Smashbox lipstick, I believe, and this is in the shade Totes Matte, and that costs, that lipstick retails for $21 to $24. And the next one in the box is this Laura Lee. This is the Party Animal, and let's see what it looks like. This is how the palettes look like. It's very nice. You got 2 shimmery shadows. No, actually get 3. The blue one right there, and this too. So, and it comes with a mirror. So yeah, I'm really excited to kind of like use this kind of colors. So just put it back right there. And then last in the box, well, not really, because I actually, that's why I opened it. This product right here from Ades, I don't know. This is a sweet almond cuticle oil. I gave it to my friend, my coworker Helena. I give it to her. I don't use that anyway. And then, but this one is from Wonder Beauty. This is the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and that retails for $13. So yeah, that is it for the unboxing for my BoxyCharm, you guys. So yeah, forgot to show you what I got from Ulta. It's been here sitting. It's just 3 stuff that I got. It's this e.l.f. Mist and Set. Next one is this Wet n Wild. I repurchased this Wet n Wild matte finish setting spray. And lastly, in this thing is this Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer. And what's so funny about this, because the shade is kind of like my last name. If you like really look at it, hold up, focus, there you go. If you just put E right there in the middle of W and E, it will be my last name. Okay, in the shade Tawny, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I just want to show you how it looks like. Come on. But there you go. So it looks like very cute. And let's see. It's right there. It's bronzer. So that's it for like a mini haul, you guys. Hey guys, good morning. it's been a while since I haven't vlogged. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog today, and it's my day off, so I have the time to vlog. And it's been crazy for the past month, I must say, because we've been moving in and out. We've been trying to fix the house so it will be up in the market, and finally it's in the market already. So yeah, and after that, it's just too much, like, you know, the packing, the unpacking, like putting stuff, the extra stuff in the storage room. So yeah, I've been so, like, less work. I've been like so stressed, like you can tell, definitely can tell with this pimples going on in my face right now. But yeah, we finally moved out our house. So what we did yesterday is kind of just like change the address and everything. And yeah, that I was working. I've been working like crazy for the past few days too. So plus I was sick like 2 weeks ago or a week ago. I was so sick because, you know, some of our patients was sick, and then, you know, when I went home, I woke up like I got a sore throat, and I was just like sick. So yeah, but now I'm okay. I feel better now. And today I'm gonna I've been wanting to wash my car, you guys, like crazy, but like I said, I can't wash my car because, like I said, we've been moving, we've been busy, we've been moving in the house and stuff like that, and I just literally need to wash my car. And yeah, so I'm gonna wash my car and my my husband's car. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and after that I'm going to unpack my clothes and stuff so I can put it in, like, in the closet. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today, guys. So, and I already ate breakfast and I had coffee and stuff like that. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. So he's still vacuuming inside his car, so I'm just gonna wait because he's gonna vacuum mine too. Okay, so I already took all the trash out and everything that was on the side. So I just need to be vacuumed this in. See that dirt right here? That dirt. All the coins, I think I need to put that in a baggie and stuff like that. So yeah, I already took the trash out. This is all the gas receipts and everything. It's like a CD right there. But yeah, I just need to vacuum inside first before cleaning the outside of the car. I just need the back of the seat, pretty much clean. Oh, I need to take this joint out. This one. Still cleaning his car, so I gotta clean that car and my car. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna drink my coffee again. Get a coffee. Oh no 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 no! There's a bug. But anyway, I'm drinking my coffee. You're just trying to vacuum inside of the car first before washing the outside. Kind of like the details into it, just to make sure it's really nice and clean. So plus probably next week or this
this coming Friday I'm going to change my oil because it needs to be it needs the oil change. And I already know how to look at my transmission fluid and everything. It's still good. Yeah, he teach me everything about car. But I'm gonna drink my coffee first, and I have to not wash, but like I have to clean the inside of my car before doing the outside. So I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Alright guys, so about to wash this car, and gotta put this soap, special soap for the car. You cannot just put any regular soap if you're washing your car. So I'm gonna clean with this where is it? See, it's this Zip Wax Car Wash and Max. So I'm gonna put these, mix it with the water, with this thing right here. Just gotta put some water on it first. So what I told you guys earlier, you have to wash you have to wash your car with a soap, not just any regular soap, because that's gonna fuck your car up. So we use this Turtle Wax Quick and Easy Zip Wax, and has an instruction on it, and you can mix this with water. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Put this one in the thing right there, mix it with the soap. And after that guys, you use well, I use this thing, like a big ass sponge, not just a regular sponge too. This is for to wash the car, with this one right here, right there. So first I'm gonna rinse out the car, and then, you know, wash it with the soap that I shown you guys earlier, because you cannot, like I said, you cannot wash your car with a regular soap. That's gonna fuck your car up. So yeah. Hey guys, so you also need from the inside, like I use this to kind of like clean the inside. This is the let me show it to you. So this is the one I sprayed earlier is Armoral Original Protectant. What? I think so. Okay, thank you. But yeah, this is the Armoral Original Protectant. You can, like I said, you cannot, I don't know, but he told me you cannot just use just regular soap or whatever to like clean or wipe the car. So yeah, I use this one right here. This one right here to kind of like wipe this dashboard and everything. So that's clean, and we just wipe the he uses different one to wipe this leather seat, so it doesn't mess up the leather seat. But yeah, I already did clean this in the inside, and they vacuum it already. It's done. Now it's time for me to wash it, like the outside of the car. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, this is the thing that I spray for this one right here, this one. Alright guys, so I kind of just rinsed it off after I put the soap on it, and I already did the top and everything. Now I gotta clean the wheels on it, because you cannot just wash your car without, you know, without cleaning the wheels. So you gotta clean the wheels too. So I might get these like brush, kind of like detail. It will be clean. So yeah, gotta do that now because I have to wash my car too. So yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna try to brush the rims out, because look how dirty that is. See, so I'm gonna brush that and clean that up, because I already did the other part. This part right here, I already did that. That's why it's nice and squeaky clean. So I gotta do this part right here, and then after that I'll be done, and then I'm gonna start again with my car. So yeah. Alright guys, I am done with that car and my car. So I already washed and everything. I just wanna make it done. I'm tired and it's hot outside. I just gotta repark this car so my mom can get in the driveway. So yeah, it's that. There. So yeah, just gotta put these things together. But yeah, this is our cleaning stuff for like the car cleaning stuff. Gotta have that sponge. I'm just gonna let it dry in and everything. So yeah, after that I'm gonna take a shower and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I just got a shower and I kind of like put a little bit makeup on, so I look like a human. It's been a while since I put makeup on, and put lip tint in my lips. It's kind of like a combination of these two. Where is that? Yeah, but it's the Peri Peri lip tint that I'm wearing right now on my lips. So yeah, I'm very hungry, you guys. So I'm gonna go to the nearest Filipinos, kind of like a store slash restaurant near where I live at right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go there and because I'm craving for some lumpia. Yeah, so I'm gonna my hair is crazy and I sweat. I'm just gonna let it dry. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the Filipino restaurant so I can get some food, because I'm really hungry. Haven't cooked any foods, so I'm just gonna buy some. But yeah, I'm gonna go there and what else? Yeah, I'm gonna go there and pick up some food. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm wearing the ColourPop No Filter foundation. For concealer, you know what, let me just put everything, because sometimes you guys just DM me or like message me on YouTube like which like foundation or lipstick I'm wearing, so I'm just gonna leave it in the description box below. But yeah, this is just like my everyday makeup look. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna take you guys with me, so this vlog will kind of be longer or something like that, since I haven't vlogged for a while. But yeah, let's go. I'm gonna take you guys with me and get some food. It is hot, yo. Oh. There's the AC there. Alright, so let me set you guys up.
Shorty face, Tommy out the blue. Someone said, motherfucker, someone said.
Oh wow.
She's in love with.
Wow. There's a car accident. I'm gonna just slow down because there's a police officer. Oh. Alright. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a car accident. It's blocking the whole highway. I mean road. Well, that road. Gotta work tomorrow. It was my day off today, and I'm happy that I get to wash my car finally, because it's been a while since I haven't washed my car.
Till I land, had me out like a light, like a light, like a light, like a light. What it took, baby mama cover fours, got these other bitches shook, yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm here. So that's like the restaurant over there. Oh, this guy's weird. Let me be great, dude. Anyway, I'm just gonna buy some food just real quick. I'm just gonna buy some food so I can go home and, you know, eat stuff like that. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna let you guys come in there because I'm just gonna get food anyway, but I'll just show it to you. So yeah. Hey guys, so I got the food, which is beef caldereta or afritada, I forgot, but yeah. So I got beef caldereta, chicken adobo with rice, and beef lumpia, and I also got a ice cream. I'm gonna show it to you later. And I also got a turon right here. Got a turon for only 75 cents. So I got it's kind of like if you don't know turon, it's a delicacy from Philippines. It's like a banana. I don't know what type of banana that is, but saging banana. And it wraps it with like lumpia wrapper, and then they kind of like put like brown sugar in it to cook, but you know, like that. But yeah, it's turon. So yeah, I'm gonna go now because I'm really hungry, so I can eat. Here's the food, you guys. Beef caldereta and chicken adobo with rice, and there's another extra. I'm watching Sana Dalawang Puso. I'm kind of like, I'm still in like July, some stuff like that. Yeah, but I'm gonna eat now. Oh, it's dark. But yeah, and I got some Mountain Dew for my drink. And this is the lumpia, you guys. There's beef lumpia. Hey guys, so I get a ubi purple yum ice cream, and I don't know how much it is. Probably like $10. Oof. So I will eat the food, my food. Oh my goodness, it's so good. So yeah, I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna try lumpia. But yeah, I'm watching Sana Dalawa Ang Puso. So, I'm doing right now. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I'm just gonna eat my ice cream. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here since I don't have nothing to do anymore. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this vlog. It's all over the place, but yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.